All right. Hi guys, I'm Mr. Khor. I specialize in teaching SPM Biology, and today we're looking at SPM Trial 2022, State Paper Pahang. Okay, so this is paper 1. So question 1 is from Form 4, Chapter 2. One look, you should know that this is Golgi apparatus. Okay, Golgi apparatus. Because Golgi apparatus, you can see that the vesicle is quite obvious. Okay, easy question. So question 1 answer is C. Now, question 2 is from Form 4, Chapter 3, which is carrier protein. Guys, answer is A. Answer is A. So if you notice, there's another type of protein present. So guys, B is referring to Khor protein. Protein liang, Khor protein. Okay, and C would be phospholipid. C would be phospholipid. Now, question number 3 is still from Form 4, Chapter 3. Please draw 1 star for this question as it's considered quite a good question. So they are asking you which concentration, guys, which concentration of sucrose will cause potato strip to regain its turgidity. Now, in order for potato strip to regain turgidity, means we want water to enter. And I always tell students, water always move from a hypotonic to a hypertonic solution. Okay, which means outside have to be hypo. So when you see a graph like this, please use a red pen, draw positive and negative. So why positive, why negative? Because here there's a gain in terms of the mass, whereas here, the mass decrease. Guys, the mass drop. All right. So why did the mass increase? Simply because water entered, and this is the answer that we want. Okay, water entering the potato strip. So guys, as long as it is before 2.5 gram per 100 ml, we are able to accept that answer. So if you look at the options here, answer would be A. Answer would be A because A is considered a hypotonic solution, which is why water can enter the potato strip. All right, so number 3 answer is A. Number 4 is from chapter 4. Guys, number 4 is from chapter 4. Not easy, but very, very easy question. At your stage now, attempting state papers, there's nothing that can be easier than this, guys. So glucose form maltose. Glucose form maltose. So number 4A and number 5. Number 5 is to do with chapter 5, metabolism and enzyme. So Ahmad ate during recess. Okay, guys, sounds nice. And he spilled sambal on his shirt. Okay, maybe not so. What should he do to get rid of the stain? What should he do to get rid of the stain? Let's see. Because sambal is considered, it has oil. Guys, oil. Oil is a type of lipid. In order to get rid of lipid, we need lipase. So number 5 answer is C. Okay. Why is donkey wrong? Because this temperature is not optimum. Okay, this temperature 15 degrees Celsius is not optimum. Check question 6 from cell division topic from 4 chapter 6. Which of the following undergo M phase? First of all, M phase refer to either mitosis or meiosis. But because meiosis only occur to gamete, so I forgot what is gamete. Okay, gamete means reproductive cells. So it's definitely not meiosis. Guys, where got reproductive cell here? There's no reproductive cell. So it can only be mitosis. Okay, mitosis. Now, mitosis Mitosis is where it occurs to all cells. It occurs to all types of cells except reproductive cells. Okay, so it's a form of cell division. And if you remember, this is zone of cell division. Answer is donkey for number 6. Just to recap, C would be cell elongation. B, cell differentiation. And on top would be all the matured tissues. Okay, number 6, donkey. Guys, number 6, donkey. Number 7, what happened to our breathing? What happened to our breathing if lungs are injured in an accident? So if lungs are injured, nothing to do with sneezing or coughing or hard to swallow. This is more to eating It's more to gasping for air. Susah nak bernafas. So number 7, answer is boy. Okay, guys, number 8 is from chapter 8, respiratory system of organisms. Easy question as well. So all these are trachea. All these are spherical. Spherical is what leads to the trachea, then the tracheole. Okay, then the tracheole. Spherical leads to trachea and then tracheole. Spherical is where air enters. Okay, from Form 4, chapter 8. Number 9, guys, one look you should apply the energy value formula. Energy value formula is the mass of water multiplied by increase in temperature multiplied by a constant divided by mass of food. Okay, so mass of water is 20 ml. Increase in temperature is 20. This is 4.2, and the mass is 0.5. Okay, guys, let's calculate and see. Let's calculate and see. So 20乘20乘4.2 then 除点. So you should get guys, you should get 3360, but don't forget this is joule per gram. If I change this to kilojoule, it has to be 3.36 kilojoule per gram, and with that we get the answer boy. Guys, number 9, answer boy. Number 9, answer boy. Okay, number 10, guys. Number 10, if pancreas fail to secrete enzymes, what happens? Guys, revision. Pancreas secrete lipase, amylase, as well as trypsin. Nothing to do with these two. Obesity, yes, because cannot convert starch to cannot break down starch to maltose. Cannot break down starch to maltose, and also cannot break down lipid. Cannot break down the fat. So number 10 answer is A. From digestion, nutrition topic, Form 4, Part 9. Okay, guys, number 11 is from Form 4, Chapter 10. Okay, Form 4, Chapter 10, here they're just asking you what cell. So as we all know is red blood cell, another name erythrocyte. All right, so the answer is between A and B, and you should know that this is lymphocyte because why? White blood cell got two groups, granulocyte as well as agranulocyte. If you remember this, NEBLM, L for lymphocyte, no granule. Agranulocyte, they don't have granules. So 11 answer is A. And for question 12, individual require blood transfusion. Guys, individual need blood transfusion. He has these two antibodies means what? If he have these two antibodies, it means he is blood group O. He is blood group O. Okay. All right. So 12 answer is C, and 13. 13 is still from chapter. Oh, this is actually chapter 11. Okay, this is chapter 11. Student X had a wound as he fell off. Pathogen entered. Which one is needed? Pathogen entered through the wound means they passed through first line. They have passed through the first line of defense. So now they need the second line. Second line would be phagocytes. Okay. Okay, next. For question 14, which is the correct sequence as far as human coordination is concerned? So you should get the answer C. You should get the answer C. Always starts with a stimulus. Then receptor will detect. Okay, then at the end there'll be a response. So 14 answer is C. 15. Z is thyroid gland. Z is thyroid gland. So thyroid gland secretes thyroxine. Thyroid gland secrete thyroxine. Thyroxine main function, increase metabolism. Increase metabolism. So what is this metabolism? Processes in the body. So 15 answer is boy. 15 answer is boy. From this is from chapter 12, guys. This is from chapter 12. And for question 16, okay, from chapter 13. So what happens at K? What happens at K? When blood glucose go up, it will secrete insulin. When it goes down, glucagon is secreted. So to convert glycogen back to glucose, 16 answer is C. Right, 16 answer is C. Okay, 16C and 17, we are looking at a nephron. Nephron means the unit, the basic unit in the kidney, guys, in the kidney. So S here is DCT, distal convoluted tubule. And for, okay, what did they say? Osmotic pressure go up means what? This is a good question. Draw 1 star. This is a good question. So osmotic pressure go up means there is either there's a rise in salt content or a drop in water content. Okay, so not enough water, need to secrete more ADH so that more water can be reabsorbed. Right, so that more water can be reabsorbed. Okay, 17C and then 18. Joining one bone to another bone is what we call a ligament. Ligament joins one bone to another. Okay, 19 is from reproduction topic. P is the vas deferens. Guys, vas deferens, they will secrete the sperm out lah. They will secrete the sperm out. It's a route, laluan bagi sperma. Okay, for question 20, how to produce non-identical. Guys, non-identical tidak seiras. Another name is fraternal. Another name is fraternal. Fraternal need 2 sperm, 2 ovum. Okay, if 1 sperm, 1 ovum means identical because they will split. Okay, moving on to question 21. Guys, I said this before in other lessons. Not too sure whether you all watched the previous one because you might be watching this for the very first time. Okay, so for the first 20 questions would be Form 4, then the remaining 20 would be from Form 5 lah. All right. So that's why question 21 here is from Form 5, Chapter 1. From Form 5, Chapter 1. So, guys, tissues actively divide by mitosis, we can find in shoot tip, actually 3 places. Let me simplify first. Meaning meristem. They are referring to meristem. 3 places. I always tell students, shoot tip, root tip, and also cambium. So we have shoot tip, these two know. Vascular bundle, yes. Because guys, if you do not know, you can draw this. Vascular bundle means phloem, cambium, and xylem. Cambium. So yes, 21 answer is donkey. 21 answer is donkey. Now, 22 is to do with opening and closing of stoma. Answer is donkey, because for the stoma to open, inside must have a lot of sucrose. Inside become hypertonic, and water enter. Water enter, it becomes turgid. That's when the stoma open. Okay. For SPM year 2023, this process is quite important for paper 2, opening and closing of stoma. I told my students already, one of the important things. So 22 answer is donkey. As for 23, identify the part of the leaf. This is a bit like primary school question or maybe lower secondary. So green part of the leaf, flat and thin. So answer is lamina. Okay. Lamina. Next, for question 24, is from Form 5, Chapter 3. Nutrients, nutrition in plants. So guys, which one is correctly matched? Which one is correctly matched? Sulfur is not for synthesis of chlorophyll. It's more for growth. This is okay. Phosphorus, synthesis of protein. Magnesium is more for chlorophyll synthesis. So between B and C, B is a slightly better answer. Between B and C, B is a slightly better answer. Okay, for question 25. Okay, for question 25. Which is the following macronutrient that is needed to make sure? This is probably to do with purple spot. Okay, guys, you can highlight this. The leaf, dark green is dull, and then got purple spots. This one no choice. You have to study the table in the textbook. Answer is phosphorus. 25 answer is C. 25 answer is C. Like for potassium, normally the tissues will die from the side. So these are some special effects of deficiency that you have to know. Okay, 25 answer is C. Now 26, which of the following refers to phytoremediation? Phytoremediation is the last part of Form 5 Chapter 4. It's simply using living plants to absorb heavy metal, nuclear waste, like sunflower, for example. So here, yeah, this one, no other answer. Okay, so 26 answer is donkey. They convert polluted substances to unpolluted ones. Okay, 27. This is a phloem. Phloem is to transport products of photosynthesis. 27 donkey. Okay, 28 is response in plant. Chapter 5, Form 5, Chapter 5. Which one to bend towards the light? This one cannot because it's being covered. Go up. This one, yes. This one cannot because the moment you cut off the tip, it cannot bend. This one can. So P and S. Do we have an answer here? Yeah, got 28 answer is C. 28 answer is C. Okay, 29 Form 5, Chapter 6. 1, 2, 3, just label, guys. Answer is donkey. Okay, answer is donkey. Filament, petal, and then sepal. 29 answer is donkey. Question 30. Very easy question. The fruit is from ovary. Okay, ovary form the fruit, ovule form the seed. Okay, stigma, no need. We don't learn stigma. We don't learn stigma. Then question 31. Oh, the questions are getting shorter. Which one is the classification? Oh, mango tree, they are considered A, mesophyte. Okay, mesophyte. Because halo live in mangrove area, this one live in water, this one live in desert. Okay, desert. 31A. Okay, 31A. Then for question 32, which of the following should be planted near the beach? Obviously, coconut trees. 32 answer is C. That's why if you are near the seaside or at the beach, only in my class when students hear the word beach, they'll think of. I'm not too sure about your vocabulary, but I only know this beach lah. Okay, so 32 answer is C. So if you go to the beach, normally you'll see coconut trees lah, because they are suitable to be near the sea. Easy question. Felis catus is the species name for cat. One is genus, one is species. Very easy question, this one. 33 answer is boy. As for 34 saprophyte means they feed on dead. Oh guys, the whole 5 questions are shorter here for Pahang. 34 donkey. Then 35 is capture recapture. Guys, 35 is capture recapture. Capture recapture is, oh sorry, they are asking what can be used as a marker. So basically when we talk about using things to mark organism, it must be something waterproof. So 35 answer boy. 35 answer is boy. Okay, 35 answer is boy. And 36 is from chapter 10, Form 5 chapter 10. Which should be the function of enzymes? 36. Cleaning agent. Guys, have you seen before? I'm not too sure. Maybe your parents or maybe grandparents, they do this. The skin of apple, especially oranges, they will keep it in a tong, fill it up with water. Then months later, they use it to clean the floor. Yeah, guys, they're not trying to make your floor dirtier. It's because when you keep it as such, you are creating eco-enzymes. Yeah. The rest are out. The rest are out. Okay, 37. How does climate change affect food security? So food security. How does climate change? Climate change means weather become hotter. Food security. This one doesn't really relate to food security. Positive, no, we're talking about negative. Yeah. Yeah, this one. Crop means hasil tanaman. Crop means hasil tanaman. Vegetable, paddy, grains, jagung. Okay. So hot, weather too hot is bad for all this. 37C. Oh, my favorite question, guys. My favorite topic, my favorite question. Inheritance. So when we take out the gamete, same size, take out 1, same size, take out 1, same size, take out 1, same size, take out 1. Combine these two to form the genotype. Big, small, answer is boy. 38, answer is boy. This type of question you must get correct, guys. It's too straightforward, too simple. Okay. 38 answer is boy. As for 39, the following are the characteristics of P. So, did you notice this is XYY? XYY is XYY is Jacob. Remember Jacob syndrome? We got 3 Klinefelter, Turner, and Jacob. Jacob syndrome is not that you become Jacob Biscuit. Okay, bad joke. Taller, but development not so good. Taller, okay. Speech learning. Yeah, guys, donkey is more for Klinefelter. Alright, I'm quite bad at reading these 2 words, so you read yourself. 39, answer is donkey, because they're more to Klinefelter. Okay, Klinefelter is 44 plus 34 plus x, 44 plus xxy. Okay. And the last one here, guys, the last one here is from the very last topic of biology. Okay, this is DNA profiling. So I had to check which one is the real father. Don't ask me why the mom not too sure who's the father. Guys, I think you know better. So this one, so this guy is out. So is it Bota or the guy with some hair? Let's check. This one from mom, this one from mom. This one must be from dad. So but the mom don't have, it has to be from the dad. Ta-da, guys, Bota is the dad. So Bota is the dad. Bota is the dad. Yeah, Bota is the dad. Okay, guys, so that's it for Pahang 2022. I'll see you in paper 2. Okay, cheers, take care. Thank you. Bye-bye.